Is it safe to use cleaning chemicals on a magnetic strip credit card?
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that may not be immediately obvious but is very relevant for many of us, whether it's safe to use cleaning chemicals on a magnetic strip credit card. Handling and cleaning our credit cards properly is essential to ensure they serve us reliably over time.
What is a magnetic strip on a credit card?
The magnetic strip on a credit card is a band of magnetic material that stores your card's information, like your card number, expiry date, and other necessary details. When swiped through a card reader, the reader can access this information to process your transaction. Its safety and integrity are vital for the card's proper functioning.
Can cleaning chemicals damage the magnetic strip?
In general, it's not advisable to use harsh cleaning chemicals or solvents on your credit card, especially on the magnetic strip. Such chemicals can degrade the magnetic material, making it harder for card readers to pick up the information. They might also physically damage the strip or the card itself. If you have been considering using cleaning chemicals, think again. Your card's functionality could be at risk.
How should I clean my credit card?
The best way to clean a credit card is to use a soft, lint-free cloth slightly dampened with water. Gently wipe the card and the magnetic strip, avoiding scratching or applying too much pressure. If there's a stubborn spot, you can use mild soap, but remember to rinse the soap off the card quickly and dry it thoroughly. If your card has a chip, avoid getting it too wet. Although the chip is sealed against moisture, excessive wetting can still cause damage. So, in conclusion, while it may seem practical to use cleaning chemicals on a credit card, it's generally not a good idea. Your card's magnetic strip is sensitive and can be damaged by such substances, potentially leading to issues with your card's functionality. Instead, stick to a gentle cleaning method using a soft cloth and, if necessary, a small amount of mild soap. Treating your card with care will help ensure its longevity. We hope you found this video informative. Stay safe and take care of your belongings.